Let's explore the Node.js REPL, which stands for Read-Eval-Print-Loop. It provides an interactive JavaScript environment. You can use the Node.js REPL for testing code snippets. So, what exactly is REPL? REPL is an acronym that stands for Read, Eval, Print, and Loop. The read part takes the user input. The eval part evaluates the code that the user has given as input. The print part shows the result of the evaluation. The loop part repeats the process continuously, allowing for an interactive coding session. To start the Node.js REPL, simply type Node in your terminal or command prompt. Once you press Enter, the REPL environment will be initiated, and you can start writing JavaScript code. Once you type the Node command in the terminal, you will be greeted with a welcome message along with the Node.js version number. You are now in the interactive JavaScript environment. The greater than symbol indicates that the REPL is ready to accept your JavaScript code. Let's explore some basic JavaScript operations that you can perform in the REPL. For example, you can type 5 plus 3, and it will output 8. You can also concatenate strings like hello plus world, which will result in hello world. You can also use built-in math functions like math.square root of 16, which results in 4. You can also declare variables using let keyword. For example, let name equals node.js. When you access the variable name, it displays node.js. The REPL also comes with some special commands. The .help command displays all available REPL commands. The .exit command is used to exit the REPL environment. The .clear command is used to clear the current context. The .save command is used to save the current session to a file. You can also define functions and objects within the REPL environment. You can define a function such as function greet, which accepts a name argument. Inside the function, you can return a template literal which says hello, and then the name that is passed in. Then you can call the function with the name developer, and the output will be hello developer. You can also define JavaScript objects. For example, let user equals an object with the properties name John and age 30. Then you can access user.name, which will give you the output John. What are the benefits of using the REPL? It allows for quick testing of JavaScript code snippets instantly without creating files. It is perfect for experimenting with Node.js features and application programming interfaces, also known as APIs. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.